Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos coming up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make perfectly homemade easy waffle. So keep watching as we move on to the process. Now we're gonna mix together about 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/3 tablespoon of salt. Then give this a quick mix to combine. Next, we're going to add all the liquid ingredients. You need 2 eggs, half cup of cooking oil, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then last of all, 1 cup of liquid milk. Here I have extra half cup of milk in case I need it. Then you whisk this together until everything is well combined. The next step, I'm going to grease my waffle iron with butter or cooking oil, then preheat it for about 3 minutes. Now our waffle iron is already hot, so it's time to start making the waffles. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to keep enjoying all our new videos. Thanks. Bye bye.